guys! In this video, Cooper meets his siblings from another mother for the first time. These are Corgis that came from the same AKC-certified breeder we got Cooper from. You might actually know about them and follow them on social media.
I hope you're already following me on my Facebook, Instagram, and here on my YouTube channel. If not, please follow me. Thank you.
Can you tell Cooper and his siblings apart? Let us know in the comments below, because we're really curious. Dog walking can be super stressful, especially on a busy street like the one here in New York City. That's why we're so happy we invested in a hands-free dog leash for Cooper. It's really convenient to not have to hold a leash all the time. We've been using this one for 3 years and we're so happy with it. It comes in many colors, but we chose the blue one because it's our favorite color. If you want to get this hands-free dog leash for yourself and your dog, it's listed in Cooper's Amazon store, so check out the link in the description below.
You're not a large dog. Can't go there. What's out there? Oh!
Tinkle, tinkle.
He's peeing.
72 hours later.
Ew. So much focus. Yay! Tofu!
Tofu! Tofu!
Cooper! Tofu's here!
You win!
Oh, Cooper, you're so happy! Tofu, what are you looking at? What's his name?
Biscuit.
Oh, Biscuit!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Seriously? You too.
Yeah, good
Oh my God.
job! How cute!
him a bath today. Oh, you didn't like that, did you? Asher, look.
Yeah.
Oh, another dog.
Oh, now he's doing it too.
What you could do is kind of jog a little bit and then they'll start running after you.
Okay, let's go.
By the way, don't forget to check out Cooper's Amazon store. Everything we use and recommend to raise a healthy, happy dog are all in there. And if you know someone who has a dog, tell them we said hi and to check out our store as well. They might find something there that they could use to make their doggy happy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our new videos. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.